There it is. I have no idea why it's making that noise. Hopefully somebody out there will be able to tell me what it might be.